Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. How have you been? Today, because you asked for this, I'm gonna be making an anti-dandruff and growth hair butter. This one's gonna be super easy and super effective, trust me. But before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell so you always get our posts whenever we upload them. Okay, so the first ingredient I'll be measuring into my mixing jug is my organic shea butter. I'm going to be using about 200 grams of shea butter here because I want to make about 300 grams hair butter. Well, you can go ahead and use any butter of your choice for these, like cocoa butter, mango butter, avocado butter, but I choose to use shea butter because it's super effective for hair and it's actually affordable as well. I'm going to be adding another super ingredient to this recipe, and this is my neem and chebe infused oil. I infused the chebe and neem powder in sunflower oil for more than 6 weeks now, and they are very much concentrated. So I'm going to be using about 70 grams of both oils into my recipes. I guess you can recall how chebe and neem does wonders to the hair. Another ingredient here is menthol crystals. Our menthol crystals here is a must in this recipe because this hair butter is aimed at fighting dandruff. The menthol will also help in cases of lice in the hair. It helps to pursue them all, and they cannot be lice on your hair when you're using menthol on it. And then I'll be adding arrowroot powder. I'll be adding about 7 to 8 grams of arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder will help butter not to be too greasy so that it can quickly melt into the hair. I'll also be going in with about 5 grams of moringa powder. This will assist the neem and the chebe for hair growth. A combination of all this with shea butter would actually help to fasten the growth of hair, especially the edges. Here's a very important ingredient to note. This is our sulfur. Sulfur is one of the few antifungal ingredients that is aimed at eradicating fungal infections, and dandruff we know is an antifungal infection. So this sulfur powder is going to help to eradicate the antifungal infection on the hair, such as dandruff and ringworms. I'll be going in with 10 to 15 grams of sulfur powder. I'll give the total list and measurement of all these at the end of the video. So now I'm just going to come in with my hand mixer and I'm going to start mixing my butter and all the ingredients in it from low speed to medium speed and then to high speed. At this stage, your menthol crystals must have melted as well, and I think we have to rest at this point. Now see the consistency we have for our butter. It's still going to harden after it's cooled down because it's shea butter. Now I'm going to go in with my fragrance. Here you can choose whatever fragrance you want, although for hair products I like using banana. Now this is a combination of banana and lavender fragrance. I'm also going to go in with my tea tree essential oil. Tea tree has antibacterial properties and it will actually help to assist our antifungal ingredients to get rid of dandruff. Now I'm going to give this a very good mix to make sure that all the ingredients comes together. Now as I mix, I can actually perceive the banana and lavender fragrance, making this very sweet to use. One more mix and we are done. Please do not forget to add your vitamin E oil to this as well. It's very important as it will act as an antioxidant. Alright, so I think I have a very good butter mix here and I'll stop mixing already. I'll go get in my 250 grams container. I'll just transfer my hair product into my container, and voila, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, please help to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to this channel, turn your notification bell, share this video to your friends, and you can also join us in our upcoming videos. I really appreciate you for stopping by to watch this video. Thank you so much. For now, take care, and I'll love to see you in my next video. Bye.